Good morning. I'm Srireka, Department of Chemistry. Today I'm going to tell you about on the topics of a case study on chemistry in daily life. This based on the soap. Okay. So soap it is a main manufactured by the previous thousand of years with this manufacturing by the soap by normal organic and inorganic soap materials. Here now we are using the products based on this soap materials and we have to consume our products on the soap material. So this is now today's represented by the soap material. And we have to have the hygienic part by the soap material by using hand washing and removing the dirt materials and by using the cleaning the materials with this soap materials. And by the years we have to compare. We have the soap mineral proposed from this chemical methods. Nowadays we are using the chemical methods by using glycerol, sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide. So now with this we have to improve the natural organic soap materials we have to develop by these years. So what is the method we can choose for using this organic soaps, natural soaps? So tell me.
Introduction. Every day we use soap to wash our hands, clothes and dishes. But have you ever wondered how soap actually cleans? This is not just a simple everyday activity. It is a perfect example for chemistry in action. Soap is one of the oldest chemical products used by humans for cleanliness. It protects us from harmful bacteria and viruses present in our hands and surfaces. So, chemistry plays a big role even in simple things we do daily.
Scientific explanation. Soap is made from a chemical process called the saponification, where a fat reacts with a strong base like sodium hydroxide. A soap molecule has two parts. One end loves water and another end loves oil and grit. These two ends help soap act as a bridge between water and oil. Without this property, oil and grease would not mix with water and cleaning would be difficult. Soap molecule arrange themselves in water in a special way to remove dirt effectively. This is a great example of how chemistry solves real life problems.
How it works. Application. When we add soap to water, the hydrophobic ends attach to the dirt and greases, while the hydrochloric ends stay in the water. Together, they form a tiny droplets called vessels, which trap the dirt and wash it away. That's why soap cleans better than water. Even washing dishes, clothes, and our body depends on the same vessels formation. Detergent, which we use in washing dishes, also follow the same cleaning principle. So chemistry makes cleaning faster, effective, and hygienic.
Conclusion. Importance in life. So chemistry helps us stay clean, healthy, comfortable in our daily life. Without the chemistry behind the soap, we couldn't prevent the spread of diseases and infections. Even during COVID-19 pandemic, hand washing with soap was the most powerful protection method. This shows us how chemistry directly helps to save lives. Soap may look simple, but it is backed by strong science. Chemistry is not just in taste, it's everywhere around us.
So let us conclude with this chemistry in daily life by using this soap. So let us learn with this. The preparations of soap is a very chemical process by using this glycerol, sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide and this salt solutions. So we have to use this natural synthetic material by using olive oil, gel or turmeric, and likewise we have to accomplish the soap materials. So with this we have to conclude the soap has become a very serious materials in our chemistry daily life by using these materials. So far we have to hand washing material and cleaning materials, so the cleaning materials, all the materials are using the soap materials. So with this we have the chemical process to form the instead of soap, we can use this oil or grease materials to clean our dirt materials by using the harmful chemical materials. So with this, we have the formation advanced chemical technologies and the advanced soap producing chemical technologies and soap creations by using these traditional methods. So far, we have the remove dirting by using the soap or oil or by the liquid substance. We can use another substance by mustard it with this and save by using the solutions. By adding the dilute solutions, we can also remove the dirt substance by using this instead of using the heavy metals. So we can compare the TSA of soap materials with this by using this samples of so many soap materials we have already in our product. So by using the natural products, we can use the neem with this cream and aloe vera and with this coconut oil. This is a sample natural soaps. We have already prepared this and we also prepared this hygienic hand sanitizer also in our lab itself. So this already I have searched the products and you can consult the whole in the market itself. It is very easy and very hygienic and natural product for using this material. And the product we are using this natural synthetic or by using the synthetic we can use a natural soap by soapification method. That is soapification method is nothing but it is a easy to use in the liquid. Whether it can use a liquid instead of water, it will dissolve in this gel by using this sample packet. We are adding the sample packet in the powder form with this neem and coconut oil with the aloe vera gel. We are already prepared by using this sample process and it can be worked out. We have checked in the lab itself. So with this soap material, we have to use we have to take 1 bucket of water and we will put this packet, it will give the soap ratio. We cannot form a lather in the soap with normal water. We can have what is the fresh water. Drinking water, it can have the fresh lather process. And from the pH value, we can be only the acidic form only. That is also we have checked in this lab experiment. We have the pH value with the 5 range value. It is stable to use all the materials. So some other soap we have the functions and infections during we will never have. So that problem also we will clear with this product, with natural product. So this is our basic chemistry life in using this soap material. Thank you.